packed and ready to go, hitting the south coast again. And I don't know how hot it's going to be there. The prediction is for have rain, so it might be a bit cooler down there than here. At the moment it's proper summer weather here, nice and hot. But I'm on my way, gonna go camp hopping again, and then Saturday evening I'll be joined by Russell and Cindy. Haven't camped together for quite a while. See you on the other side. Cheers. My first stop was at Carradine. I was going to spend the night here, but when I wanted to go and look what the sites look like, I couldn't even find a parking outside. It was chock-a-block. So eventually I drove into this caravan park area, parked my van, went for a walk around, and I'd guess it's about 80%, if not more, full. It is really chock-a-block. But then on the one side there's some company having a team build, and they're there for a couple of days. So I decided rather to move on, go to the next place, and that is where I always come down to Scopra, my favorite camping place, and right on the beach. Yeah, looks like if there's some function going on here as well, but that's miles away from me, so not worried about that. Peaceful and quiet where I am. My favorite spot. There's the sea. Enjoy, and keep on watching to see all the photography and paint by light for this weekend. Thank you. The sea is pretty rough. There's a bit of a wind blowing, but it's actually nice and cool. And the usual thing, load shedding. So I've still got another hour and a half to go with load shedding. It's time for lunch now, so I'll make something for lunch and chat later. Friday morning, and what a stunning day it turned out to be. After this morning having quite a bit of cloud, sun is out, nice breeze blowing, but it's nice and hot. Beautiful day. Now, this month is an anniversary month. Looking back at all my pictures where I've been to all the campsites, and my first time out with a van was at Midmar in October 2021. We're in October now, so it's exactly 1 year.